in the previous video of science class, we discussed a little bit about manures and fertilizers. In this video, we will be going to discuss about them in detail. First of all, let's discuss about manure. Now, what is manure? Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant and animal waste. It is an organic substance. It is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant and animal waste. Of plant and animal waste. Manure, it is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant and animal waste. Farmers dump this waste in a pit in open area and allow it to decompose. These certain microbes act upon them and decompose it, and it can be used for increasing the fertility of the soil. Now there are some advantages of the manure. Now let's discuss about those advantages. Advantages of manure. First can be, it makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases become easy. First can be, it makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases become easy. Second, it provides a lot of humus to the soil. It provides a lot of humus to the soil. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It increases the water holding capacity of the soil. The advantages of the manure are, it makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases become easy. It provides a lot of humus to the soil. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. Now let's discuss about the fertilizers. Fertilizers. What are fertilizers? Fertilizers are man-made. Fertilizers are man-made inorganic salt. Are man-made inorganic salt. Fertilizers are man-made inorganic salt. They can be produced in factories. Sorry, they are produced in factories. Fertilizers are produced in factories. Now let's discuss about the examples of fertilizers. Examples can be urea, ammonium sulfate, and NPK. NPK means nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. NPK means nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So fertilizers are man-made inorganic salt. They are produced in factories. Some of the examples of fertilizers can be urea, ammonium sulfate, and NPK, which means nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Now let's discuss about the difference between fertilizers and manures. First, fertilizers are man-made inorganic salt. Fertilizers are man-made inorganic salt. Fertilizers are man-made inorganic salt, while manures are organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant and animal waste. First difference can be fertilizers are man-made inorganic salt, while manures are organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant and animal waste. Second one can be they are produced in factories. Fertilizers are produced in factories, while manures can be prepared in fields. Manures can be prepared in fields. Second difference can be they are produced in factories while manures can be prepared in fields. Third point can be fertilizers do not provide any humus to the soil. Any humus to the soil. Fertilizers do not provide any humus to the soil, while manures provide a lot of humus to the soil. Third difference can be they do not provide any humus to the soil, and while manures provide a lot of humus to the soil. Fourth difference can be fourth can be they are rich in particular plant nutrients like NPK. NPK means nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, as I told you. They are rich in a particular plant nutrient like NPK, while manures are relatively less rich in plant nutrients. They are rich in a particular plant nutrient like NPK, while manures are relatively less rich in plant nutrients. So this was about the difference between fertilizers and manures. Now let's discuss about crop rotation. Crop rotation. Crop rotation. Crop rotation is a method which can be used to increase the fertility of the soil. Method used for increasing the fertility of the soil. Method used for increasing the fertility of the soil. This can be done by growing the crops alternately. This can be done by growing the crops alternately. Earlier, the farmers in northern India grew legumes as fodder in one season and wheat in the next season. Now let's discuss about the rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria is a bacteria which lives in the nodules of the leguminous plants and helps in the fixation of the nitrogen gas. Rhizobium bacteria helps in the fixation of nitrogen gas. So this was all about the methods for increasing the soil fertility. With this, our class ends. Thanks for watching.